Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today, let's dive into a remote code execution vulnerability in Git. Let's jump into it. So I came across a great write-up by David Ledbetter, many thanks to him, link in the description, but it seems that there is a remote code execution vulnerability in everyone's favorite version control system, Git. Let's geek out a little bit about how the vulnerability works and what you can do about it. All right, so the core issue is line endings, the never-ending compatibility challenge between the Linux and Windows worlds. I think every developer has had an issue with different line endings at some point in their career, and Git is like many other programs, and then it has code to handle reading and writing config files written for Linux with line feed line endings and Windows, which uses carriage return plus line feed line endings. And it's this code in Git that is vulnerable. Specifically, it's possible to trip up the code that handles reading and writing Git module configuration files. By crafting a malicious repo with a specially crafted path value in a Git module file, it's possible to achieve a remote code execution when a victim clones the repo with -recursive. This would cause the submodule to be checked out to the wrong place, and then can be triggered if there's a symlink between the altered path and the submodule's hooks directory by using the post-checkout git hook. David didn't post a full proof of concept yet, and I haven't seen that this vulnerability has been exploited yet. I'm sure it's going to be soon if it hasn't already. But I'll mention that David kind of left out a little bit of detail about how the full attack works. For my reading, it seems like a symlink between the git hooks directory and the path to the submodule is needed. But like I said, I haven't seen a full proof of concept on this yet, so I'm not 100% sure I've got the full story on it, but I think that's at least 95% of it. So what can you do about it? Well, the easiest thing is upgrade to Git version 2.50.1 or newer, or don't use git clone -recursive, use git clone, check the git modules file for any suspicious file names, and then proceed with caution with the submodules if everything looks good. But that's about it for this PSA on Git. I personally like and use Git, so it's been unfortunate to see this, but getting this fixed seems pretty easy. So as always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.